Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to explain basic proportionality theorem. We need to prove basic Thales theorem, mean BPT. So the statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. A line drawn parallel, this is D and E, to the other side of the triangle, the ratio which is divided the triangle is equal. तो यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है, हम ई एन एंड ई एम को ड्रॉन करेंगे. ई एन इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू ए डी एंड डी एम परपेंडिकुलर टू ए ई, एंड here we will draw DE and DE. ओके, तो हमें यहाँ पर गिवन है इन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी डी ए पैरेलल टू डी सी which intersect AB at D. We can see AB at D and AC at here, AC at E. So what we need to prove? So we need to prove that here AD upon AE upon EC. So how can we prove? First we need to construct or to make that EN perpendicular to AD and here DM perpendicular to AE. So let's prove. So first here ADE, we will use area of triangle ADE, mean half upon base into height. So here base for this triangle is AD, this, and EN will be perpendicular, mean it is with the height. So AD into EN. The next triangle we will take is triangle BDE. Here D is the midpoint, is equal to half into DB. अब यहाँ पे देखो ई एन है, अगर हम इस ट्रायंगल को एक्सटेंड कर दें तो ये एकदम परपेंडिकुलर बनता है ई एन. सो वी विल टेक हाइट ई एन. So this is our equation 1 and this one is 2. Now what will we do? We will divide this both. Area of triangle ADE is equal to half into AD into EN upon area of triangle EDE is equal to half into DB into EN. So EN cut it half. So we will left with AD is equal to DB. So this is equation 3 we will left. Okay. So we will first, if we take ADE and ABC triangle, and then we will take AED and DEC. So now we have completed area AED. Triangle AED is equal to half into AE is base here into, now first it was EN and now it will be DM. This is our equation 4. Now next triangle will be DEC, or you can take CED. DEC equal to half into EC into again DM. It will be height of this triangle. Equation 5. Now again we will divide them. Area triangle AED equal to half into AE into DM upon area of triangle EC is equal to half of EC into DM. Again DM cut half, we will left with here AE upon EC. So equation 6. Now as you know that BD, first we take BDE, here BDE, and second one DEC, this one DEC. What is common in this triangle? First this one, this triangle, and second one is this. Common is DE, here is common, so we will write also in triangle BDE and triangle DEC. Their base, which is DE, are same, in both. Also DE and BC and parallel. So it would be, therefore area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. So this will be equation 7 from equation here 3, 6 and 7. 3, 6 and 7, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So this was what we need to prove here, hence prove. This is a basic proportionality theorem.